My name is Deep Singh. I'm part of the leadership team at CAD MicroSolutions. We're a value-added reseller in Canada. We represent CAD, additive manufacturing, immersive technology, as well as 3D scanning, 3D metrology. My role is to oversee the additive division. So as Canadians, I would say our greatest strength is diversity, and we're really good at solving problems, igniting creativity, and being innovative. As you know, 1 out of every 5 Canadians are born outside of Canada, and that adds to our strength. We're able to accelerate our product development, our innovation, because of the multiple inputs that we get from diverse members of the community. Post-processing end-to-end is critical for our clients in order to maintain the quality of their parts. We have clients in almost every sector that you can imagine. Automotive and medical sectors are very critical. And there's guidelines around color, post-processing, and how the quality of the part is maintained. So with DyeMansion Solution and with DyeMansion technology, we're able to carry on an end-to-end process. Once the parts are printed, they go through the blasting, they go through the dyeing process, and the technology preserves the geometry, and this is the result of one of the automotive parts. 3D printing market in Canada is growing. We're noticing a tipping point since 2019 where companies are investing more and more into additive solutions and additive manufacturing. Very few now ask questions around what is 3D printing. We're now seeing questions like, what process, what material, what technology is best suited for their application. So I think the additive manufacturing market is growing and it's healthy in Canada. Our customers were able to increase their product value, lower down their cost, increase efficiencies in their workflow. They're finding that DyeMansion Technologies has been really helpful, from blasting, from vapor finishing to dyeing the colors to keep the consistency of the parts. For example, a lot of our clients are using HP multi-jet fusion printers. They're right now fighting the war against the pandemic, against COVID-19, and they're printing personal protective equipment, ventilator parts, and all sort of different components to help in this pandemic. They're finding that manual blasting and post-processing is time-consuming, but also a very inconsistent process. If you're too close to the parts and you're blasting your parts, you could then have inconsistency in how you're blasting your media. Where the automated component, automated process, leveraging DyeMansion technology is proving out to be a very efficient process and is able to reduce their time up to 98%.